Welcome back, art students. We are going to be on the fun part now. All right, so I've already kind of cut out from some construction paper of different sorts of colors, and I'm at that part where I can start gluing everything into place a little bit. So let's do that, okay? So when you're doing this, you want to think about what is the farthest back in space, okay? So things that need to be far, far away, that's where you begin. The farthest thing away is actually the sky. So I am actually going to go ahead here and I am going to put in my sky a big moon. Have your glue stick nice and ready. Glue it on. Let's put that moon right up there in the sky. Apply lots of pressure. Use the palm of your hand again like I was showing you. All right, and also in the night sky, there can even be some clouds. I'm going to put some clouds in the sky. Again, use that glue stick. I want to have my cloud overlapping my moon a little bit. Because after all, the moon is the farthest away. Well, maybe some stars are technically, but for now, the moon can be. All right, I'm going to keep putting some more clouds up in the sky. So you're going to want to start with your sky first. And you don't have to do your sky to be at nighttime. You know, if you want your sky to be, let's say you want it to be in the daytime, okay, you could do a different color. If you want it, like that could be like sunset colors, you could use your yellow paper. That'd be kind of cool. If you want it to be absolutely late at night, dark, you could use the black. You really get to decide on your sky. All right, so I'm just gluing on here a bunch of clouds. Now clouds typically usually get smaller as they come down closer to the horizon line. So keep that in mind as well. Okay. All right, so I got my sky done. Now I can start placing a few other key items. So I'm going to place on here some buildings that are kind of far away in my background. So I think I'm gonna do it like right about there. So I'm gonna flip this over, I'm gonna apply some glue on there. Now, since it's a kind of a bigger piece of paper, just like how I did my snowy ground, I'm just doing the outline. If I did it all, it would just be too much glue and you don't need to waste that. So I'm gonna place this down nicely. I'm gonna apply some pressure with my hand. Get it to stay in place. Okay, don't let anything come prying up. You wanna really push it down nicely. Okay? So there we have some buildings that are in the background, okay? So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a few other things. Now these I already kind of cut out, as you can see with the scissors. So take your time while you are cutting. I'm going to build a house. I already cut out some shapes here. So this will all go to this house over here. And you can do the same strategy as I did, you know, kind of puzzle things together and group them together before you finally apply them. You can shift them around and organize them on your paper as a composition, how you want it to look. Okay, so I think this house is gonna be right here. This house is gonna be right here. So let's do the house on the left first. So I'm gonna push this one over here a little bit. Move over house. I'm gonna do the base of my house first. Again, flip it over, go around the outside edges. Be careful, especially if you have colored glue. You don't want to accidentally bump some of your purple glue onto the white paper, even though it does dry clear. I still wouldn't trust it. Okay, so I have this over here, push down. Okay, and I have this for the top part, but before I glue that down, I want a chimney. Do you think I should put the chimney after I put that one, or do you think I should put the chimney before I put it? What do you think looks better? I think I like it like this. Hopefully you agree. So I need to plan that out. My chimney is gonna go right about there, right? So I'm gonna lift this up And I'm carefully going to pin it down with my finger right here. And then I'm going to grab my glue stick, sneak some glue in right here. So I know approximately where it's at. I'm going to put it down right there. Just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to glue down my roof. There we go, just like that. And look at that. Pretty good for being a good guesser. All right, and one more thing I think before I go on to the next video, I'm gonna glue on my door. So flip it over, put some glue on the back of the door, glue it down. And I think you get the idea here. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.